Hey, just for your information, this video is only part of the complete video that is linked in the top right hand corner. So should you be interested in even more Sony A6400 microphone setups, definitely go check that out. And now, let's start this one. Now let's say you want to bring out the big guns. This, for example, is the Takstar SGC-598, an excellent budget shotgun microphone. It comes with its own low-cut filter, a plus 10 decibel pregain, and it runs off of a simple AA battery. Once again, L bracket goes on first. Now if you don't intend using extra wind protection, which I do recommend, you can proceed like this. Screw-on cold shoe mount goes right there because there's a 1/4 inch mount, and you will need to apply it vertically like this, and then simply slide the Takstar SGC-598 into the cold shoe mount. Secure it, and there you go. Takstar SGC-598 on your Sony A6400. However, if you do want to use wind protection, we have to go a slightly different route. Now this version uses the same L bracket and is also useful if you own an L bracket that doesn't have this 1/4 inch mount, because we're going to use a tiny QR plate like this one with a 1/4 inch mount on the back. This one slides right onto the vertical part of the L bracket. Secure it so that there is enough space for you to plug in the microphone later. Then apply the cold shoe mount onto the back of the QR plate, once again in a vertical fashion. Plug in the mic, and now, since it sits further this way, you can use a fur wind muff. This is one from Saramonic. It's not intended for use with this mic, but it still fits perfectly. Simply slide it on top of the foam wind muff that is already on the Takstar SGC-598. And there you go. Excellent wind protection, a directional quality audio, a 10 plus decibel pregain, and a low-cut filter on your A6400. However, should you not like this look, there's a third option to mount the microphone. Using a 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch screw adapter, 2 mini ball heads on top of each other, and a 3/8 of an inch to 1/4 inch thread reducer. 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch screw adapter attaches to the bottom of this mini ball head. The 3/8 of an inch to 1/4 inch thread reducer goes right there. The mini ball head is attached via the 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch screw adapter to the vertical part of the L bracket. Then the microphone is screwed onto the second ball head like this. Now you plug in the microphone, and then you use the ball heads to position the microphone like this. And because using 2 ball heads allows the microphone to sit further back, it doesn't show up on screen when using the kit lens. Once again, should your L bracket not feature a 1/4 inch mount right here, use a mini QR plate like this one with a 1/4 inch mount on the back. Slide it onto the vertical part of the L bracket and position it so you can still plug in the microphone. 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch screw adapter, 2 mini ball heads now fit the back of the QR plate, and from that point on it's exactly the same as before. Once again, we're back at plus 25 on the internal pregains of the camera, which means this is an internal audio sample. Again, as always, I talk into the camera from about selfie distance using my regular volume voice. And now, in direct comparison, let's check out the Takstar SGC-598, including the Saramonic fur wind muff. So this is what you're getting from the Takstar SGC-598. Selfie distance, regular volume voice, as always. I'm using the plus 10 decibel pregain and the built-in low-cut filter. With this one, I could again set the internal pregains of the camera to an all-time low, which is good, and it was 5. This is probably the best budget shotgun microphone that I know of, considering it's below $40 and that's the audio quality it delivers. In combination with the Saramonic fur wind muff, it also gets you excellent wind protection. So, if you're in the market for a budget shotgun microphone for vlogging, you might as well check out the Takstar SGC-598. So that's it for this audio hack. Once again, this video was only part of the complete video that is linked in the top right hand corner. So should you be interested in even more awesome Sony A6400 audio hacks, definitely go check that out. If you liked this video, if you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, it's greatly appreciated. Any kind of comment or feedback is welcome, and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. All the tech that I've used in this video is linked in the description. As always, thank you so much for your time, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you again soon.